Yep.
The whole deal here is in this rectangular area, you have this purple line, which is an 8-inch fire main. Comes up in T's right here, comes over, does a 45, and then goes in the building. And then you have a single 4-inch domestic line, which is where this green arrow is, shoots straight up through here. They dug this footer partially, and they're headed this way. But the problem is this 8-inch main is up in that thing probably 4, 5.5 inches or more, depending on if you do a mud sill or whatever. And that's going to expose that, and got rebar issues. And mostly the concern is putting a lot of pressure on top of that pipe right there when you pour those 10x10s. Because that's an active line. They're going to leave it there until all the footers are in. Then they're going to relocate it around the side and kill it. But for the moment, we're going to have to dig around all of this. And if I could somehow make this 3D where they could see it, it would make more sense to them than all these elevations that I've got on here.
Yep. So zoom into that where your mouse is right now. Just zoom in a couple clicks. I just want to look here. So you've got a 45, a straight piece. Is that a clean out to the left?
No, that's a PIV valve sticking up out of the ground. That is. And that's a fire hydrant over there.
Okay, so there's a line going from the fire hydrant to the main.
Yeah, a little bit short one there. Really, I don't even care about the fire hydrant or the PIV. You know, I could have eliminated those. It's just really the main focus is just the 8-inch line, the 4-inch domestic running here, and then the footers themselves. This thing here is a concrete piece of concrete around the 45. What that is right there. I can take that off too.
I got you. So you've got zoom out just one click, one more click. Yeah. So you've got these. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 2 affected footers, and then 4 that are going across there. Do you have the dimensions between them?
You mean like from here to here, or from here to here?
From the column line to column line.
Oh, yeah.
Right to left.
I took the column line off of them, but I can get that. Okay, about 20 foot.
20 foot.
20
okay.
Foot center.
So let's go into Revit.
Okay, same screen.
Yep.
I went into a construction tab. That's where I saw.
That's fine. That's fine. Go ahead and go to level 1 on your project browser. All right. Double click that. There we go.
I did.
All right. So let's go ahead and run up there to under. It's in datum. It's all the way to the right. You're going to see grids. Keep going right. Keep going down. There you go. Go ahead and click on that. And then what you're going to do is go down into the model space. And yeah, there sounds good. So let's go ahead and click there. Drop your mouse down a little bit and click there. And then move your mouse up and to the right. And then type in 20. And hit enter. And then pull your mouse down until it lines up with the other one. You'll see a little blue dotted line. There you go. Click there. And then go over to the left and up. We'll do it closer to the top. And then go to the left. And then go down a little bit. There. Keep going down about right there. So go ahead and click there and then go to the right. All right, right there, and go ahead and click. Now go to the modify button. We're done with the grids for now. Keep going to the left a little bit. Yep, that one right there. Okay, so now what we're going to do is go into the structure tab, which is right next to the architectural tab up at the top left. There you go. And we're going to do isolated foundations. So go over there, down a little bit to the right. There, one more or two left, three, four left, two left. There you go. And what we're going to do is go down to the properties palette down there at the bottom. Yep. Go ahead and click on that and then go up into edit type up towards the top. And then we're gonna rename this. So up there, up and to the right a little bit. Down, yep, rename. And this is a 10 by 10?
Yes.
Okay. So is it designated like F1, F2, or anything like that?
Yeah. F10.
Okay, so just type in F10. And then once you go ahead and hit OK there, change your foundation thickness, width, and length.
Okay.
Hit apply, yep, and then OK. Now over there on the left, how far down below finished floor do these sit?
5 foot.
How many?
5 foot.
5 foot. So you see up underneath where it says footing rectangular, and then you go down into the constraints where it says level, level 1, height offset from level. So 2 boxes down. So click in there and do -5. Now move your mouse back over and then go to the intersection of those 2 grid lines and go ahead and click. There you go. And then go up to hit the modify button, or you can hit the escape key. All right, so now I want you to go back to your project browser. We're going to drop down to a 3D view. So down to the project browser, the bottom left. And see where it says 3D views. We got analytical model. Go to manage. Manage tab up at the top, right around the middle. Up, up, to the left a little bit. There you go. And I was incorrect. Go to the view tab. To the right, it was just next to the manage tab. To the left.
Oh, there.
There you go. Yep. And then we're going to do a 3D view. See that little house down and to the left one? Go ahead and click on that. Yep. All right. So you can see I kind of wanted to get this view so that we can see how things are running, right? So go back to your level 1. If you go up to the right, you're going to see level 2 tab, level 1 tab. Yeah, that way we can switch back and forth. Okay, go up to your add-ins tab. Up and to the right. Let me see what you have. You don't have APL. Is this job on True North?
Slightly off. I'd have to check to see what the actual I mean, I can rotate it or whatever when I need to.
No, that's fine. Go ahead and drop into Carlson. Just open up your Carlson tab. Yeah, it is off a little bit.
Just a shade. 3322.
3322. Okay. Go
These,
back into Revit.
These connector footers, do you want to add those as we go?
We will.
Really have
We
to.
will. Do me a favor, pull that properties palette. There you go. Okay. All right. So what we need are the coordinates for the corners of those footings. We need 2.
Okay.
So whichever corners you want to use, we just need to have those ready.
Okay. I've got a CRD file and an Excel file in the folder that I sent you, and I have them here, of course. I can flip over to here, and I'll plot all those points and find out which ones we need. Let's see.
Full time's ready. Got to go. You know, so there.
Okay. Just like this one footing, or
Yeah, we just need 2 points. So that footing will be fine. 105 and 106.
okay. So let me get all that back off there. 105, 106. Now, let's see. I need to manually type them in.
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah, we're gonna manually input these.
Okay, let me do this.
Yeah, you can throw that up on your other screen.
I bring home my Yeti. Oh, I did.
What color?
Black.
I don't even see it.
My Yeti color?
Your Yeti?
Well, it's yours, but it's mine now.
Okay. All right, I've got the coordinates ready, and let's see. Let me get that off here. Okay. I've got them on another screen where I can see them.
Okay. So go ahead and pull up Revit again, and we're going to go to the Autodesk Point Layout tab up at the top. It's about the middle of the screen.
Yeah. When you say tab, are you talking up here?
Yeah, those are tabs. Yep. So the APL is going to be about 5 to the right. Autodesk Point Layout. Go ahead and then go ahead and get license. Yep. Now you'll have to get a license every time you want to use this. But as long as you're on the network, you can get it. That we have 3 seats, and not a lot of people use it. So something pop up on your screen, on another screen?
Single user or multi-user?
Multi-user?
Yeah. Multi-user or single user, and it's got a inner serial number.
Did you do multi-user?
I can click either one.
Yeah, go ahead and hit multi-user.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, so with APL, what we're going to do first off is we have to set the shared coordinate system for this. So all the way over to the left is going to be the coordinates tab, or the coordinates button. Go ahead and click on that. And we're going to do this in decimal feet. And we're going to do work plane. So go down to where your point number 105 is going to be. And this goes in easting, comma, northing, comma, elevation. So we're doing the top of the foundation, right?
Right.
So we're going to do it the easting first.
Okay.
And then comma.
Kind of see it 680. Hold on. Let me see if I did that right. 406656 0526 good 154 1043 343. Can I copy and paste these? No, probably not. Okay.
Nah.
Okay, got it.
Go ahead and hit OK. Now do the other corner, number 106. Same thing.
Your pants don't go in the basket. Video this.
Okay, go ahead and hit OK. Oh yeah, check your numbers.
6 All right.
All right, so I usually name like state plane just so I have it always, because you're working in state plane coordinates, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so I usually do that and hit OK. And yes. All right. So
I might have to break in just a minute to do something.
that's fine. That's fine. Let's go ahead, and you have the points for the pipe, right?
Yes.
On a CSV. So go ahead and go to the import button right in the middle. It's just underneath add-ins. What we're going to do now is import those points for the pipe in.
Yes, sir.
So up at the top of the screen under add-ins, it's still going to be in the Autodesk point layout tab, but it's just location under add-ins. Down and to the right 4. To the right, up, left. There you go, import. All right, go down to select file to import, up at the top. Left, all the way. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Do I not have to worry about none of that, right?
Not yet, not yet. Okay, do you have that open in Excel?
I have it saved in Excel in that same folder.
Is your Excel file open?
It may be. That was a CRD
Okay.
file I just imported. Yeah, I've got them both. I've got it open. You want me to close it?
Okay. Yeah, go ahead and close it in Excel. Because it won't, for some reason, it won't open it up if it's somebody else is using it.
Okay, I'm not really using it in Excel. because we just imported a CRD file that I made from Excel, but I do have the CRD file connected to the CAD that I'm using. I mean the Carlson that I'm using.
Don't close that. Don't close that. Don't close that.
Let me change that. Let's see.
Well, I see
No.
you've got Excel open up at the bottom of the screen.
Well, I do, but I mean, I didn't import Excel. I just used the Excel to create the CRD, which is what I just now imported, and it's right now actively being used by this one here. So I could actually put another type file on there.
Okay.
So I'll just hook it to anything. Now it's not connected with it anymore.
Okay.
Going back to Revit and importing. File to import, CRV, open. Same thing. All right. I
Go
don't know
ahead
of
and
any
close
connection.
it out of Excel. Now try it. Hit continue.
It's still closing.
Okay.
Okay. Now those are closed. I'll continue here.
Yep. Now, let's go ahead and try that again. Select file to import. There we go. Okay. Are all those what you need?
Yeah.
I think it's just the top 20 or so, right?
Yeah, I don't know why I got all this other stuff here.
That's okay. Just go ahead where it says up at the top where it says select all or none. Go ahead and select none.
Okay, this XY thing. Never mind. Just do what you say. Okay, none.
And then it looks like you want the 4-inch domestic, 8-inch water main, 8-inch water main, 4-inch domestic, or you need those, right? There you go. Okay, so is that coordinate order northern eastern elevation?
Yeah.
Okay, then the import order is good. Drop down to where it says coordinate system.
Now you don't have all the edges of your footers.
We don't need those
Here.
right now.
Don't need those right now. Okay. All right now.
The box where it says coordinate system to the right a little bit. Click on that. And then click state plane. Hit OK. Now hit OK. And we're going to call it pipe. And then go into your 3D view. So double click your 3D view to the left in your project browser. Yep, down.
Okay.
One more. Double click that. Select off of it and try it again. There we go. Okay, zoom in, and I believe, see, we can see those points now. Okay. Now, one thing that Revit or APL doesn't do is label them on the screen. So what we're going to do is go up into connect points to the right about 3 or 4. And then we're going to do filter. All right. So if you scroll down, let's see, you want to do the 8-inch water, 8-inch main, 8-inch 45 degree.
8-inch
and
T.
then hit apply. Yeah,
We got
hit apply. All right, so you should have 3 points, right?
uh, yes. See, we got that's the T. That's 45. Don't show the other one. The other
That's okay. Go ahead and hit OK.
45.
And we're going to connect it with pipe. And we're going to do numerical. Top. And what size pipe is this? 8-inch?
810 ID.
I would do the OD. So probably 10, right?
Probably 10. Or, say, 9.5 or 10.
Yeah,
10 be,
we'll just leave it
10
at
be
10.
fine.
Okay, apparently numerical wasn't going to work.
Okay, I think from right here to right there, that's the 8.
Okay, so let's try that again. Let's go back into connect points.
Do I go backwards on my steps?
No, we're going to delete that in a little bit.
Okay.
Let's do, we'll do filter again. Go ahead and select those 8 inches again. Hit apply. Oh no.
Back up.
Yeah. You'll have to close it and restart it. Yeah. Hit apply. Yep. And then hit OK. Now this time we're going to do same thing, pipe, but this time we're going to do all. There we go. Now go ahead and delete the one that's going in between the first and the last. Same, you'll have to do it again because we made 2 pipe there. Might have to do it a couple times.
Hit the delete key. Is that what you normally do?
Yeah, you can hit the delete key.
All right.
There we go. All right, so in order to see this a little bit better, go down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You're going to see a checkerboard to the right, left down, left 2, one more. Yep, that one right there. Go ahead and click on that and do fine. And then the one next to it to the right, go ahead and click on that. And do shaded.
Oh,
Now rotate that a little bit. So
how do you rotate?
Hold your shift key, hold your middle mouse wheel, and push. Does that look right?
No.
Okay.
Should be below the footer.
Go ahead and select those 2 pieces of pipe. Sometimes this happens. I have some problems with it, but go ahead and hold your control key and then select both of them.
That's that one. I want to select both. What's still there? Let's see.
Okay, hold on just a second. Zoom in for a minute right there at the end of the pipe. Turn it around. I want to be able to see that point. Okay, so that point is it's saying it's above the footing. Go ahead and select that pipe. Turn on your properties palette.
Okay.
Yeah, right there. Go ahead and click on the properties palette. There we go. All right, let's see here. Scroll down.
That number right there, is that supposed to be the top of the pipe right now? If everything's right? Or is that something else?
I'm not sure why it's saying -3.
Okay.
You're below finished floor -3 foot, but your foundation's at 5 foot below finished floor, right?
Right, and then that's going to end up being almost 8 feet below when it's done. The pipe will be.
Did you, when you set the state plan, did you do finished floor for the top of the foundation or 5 foot below finished floor?
We typed in a -5 at some point.
So do this. Let's hit escape a couple times and select that foundation. -5. Okay, go over to the annotate tab. Left 2, 3, yep. Right. Yeah, that one right there. And do spot elevation. One below it. And then hover over the top of that foundation. -5 foot. What was the
I don't know that we ever established what. See, I put the elevation of those points in as 680. That's 680.09. These here.
what's your finished floor?
685.09. So when we put those two corner points of this in, I put in 680.09.
That should have been right. And then what's your elevation for those points?
These points on the
pipe.
On the pipe itself, they're whatever I shot them at. Let's see.
You still got that up on the screen over there?
I can put it on the other side where I can see it. Let's see. Pipes. 45 is 640, 677.47. That's this corner right here.
Go ahead and zoom in on, hit escape a couple times. And then select the point. Hit escape. And then select that point. -2. Oh, why is that? Do me a favor, hit escape a couple times, zoom out a little bit. Select one of those foundations. Hit your control key and select the other foundation. Now go over there where it says height offset from level, hit 0. Hit enter. Now move over. Move the mouse over into the model space.
Okay.
Now is that what it really looks like?
Let's see.
Hit escape a couple times.
See, shift. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. APL's doing something a little wonky. No big deal. Okay.
Okay.
So now let's go back and go back to Autodesk point layout. And we're going to do connect points. You're going to connect the other points.
You told me where that was at. Not
Uh,
report.
to the right. Keep going right. 3 more, 2 more. Yep, there you go. All right, filter. 4-inch domestic. Hit apply. Hit OK. Pipe. Let's do numerical. Let's try numerical. And then what do you think that is? 5-inch OD?
That would be fine. Okay.
All right.
It did
Didn't work.
It did one section of it.
Okay. Go ahead and delete that one. And let's do the all. I think it's because the point numbers aren't numerical. Hit apply. Yep. Let's do all.
Okay.
Now rotate that around a little bit. We had more points than that, right?
Not really. This here, see that point right there? It's not showing
Yep.
it, but that 4-inch domestic literally goes through that foundation.
Okay, so you do this. Go down to where it says where we did shaded. Yep, one to the right. Yeah, click on that one. Click wireframe. Now, are those the two ends of that pipe? Oh, they miss each other. Okay. I gotcha. Okay, so what I would do at this point, and this is just how I used to do things, I would take a couple screenshots at different angles and show and print them out and show them in I usually use a PDF or whatever, but show the project manager, superintendent what's going on, and then you can use this when they come in on Monday or whenever and show them actually what's going on.
Okay. Is there any way to extend this pipe a little further, even though I didn't shoot that point that way? So you can see it coming out.
Go ahead and zoom into that pipe. And then click on one of those pipes going through there. Zoom out a little bit. And then see that little box at the end? Click and drag. Keep going. Actually,
that's fine right there.
Okay. Roll that around a little bit. Just make sure it didn't get all crazy on you.
Oh, that's wonderful. You know, all these funky lines here, I think it's because my shots are not in a straight line.
And what you can do, so I don't know if I can get control. Okay, zoom in to the second point, the one that's in the foundation right there.
Okay.
Keep going in, keep going in. Okay, right there. So you can see, because we did all connection, there's going to be multiple lines going in between. Move your mouse to the right and up. Keep going up, keep going, keep going. Click on that one. Down a little bit. Down a little bit. There you go. Click on that one.
Got two side by side. Either
Okay,
one?
go ahead and click on that one. Hit your delete key.
Delete. Okay, deleting. Do I need to save this for deleting thing?
Yeah, go ahead and do a save.
Okay.
If you go all the way up to the top, well, you've already saved the project. You can just hit save and it'll save that.
Oh, here.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, done.
Alrighty.
Okay, I'll
Go ahead
click.
and delete.
Hit that. Delete. Hit that.
Yeah, because it's got a bunch of pipes in there, but you can go ahead and keep deleting them. And then it'll give you a good representation of point to point to point.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Yep.
That's real. Now, I still got the same thing going on here, don't I?
Yep. You may rotate it a little bit more to get more of a top-down view. There you go. Zoom back in there.